In this video, we will learn how to insert few rational numbers between two given rational numbers. Different type of questions are divided into different types. So type 1, when we have to insert less than 5 rational numbers between the two given rational numbers. So in this case, what we do, which rule we use, if A is less than B, then A is less than A plus B by 2 is less than B. So this is the property of the rational numbers, that whenever we have A less than B, then the sum of these two numbers when divided by 2 is a number between A and B. So this rule we will use to solve the questions where the number is less. When we have to insert few numbers, less than 5 numbers, then it is okay. Then we can use this method, and for that I will take one question. Insert one rational number between 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. So for that, how to solve? Now this is A and this is B. To find a number between these two rational numbers, we will use this rule, add them and divide by 2. So we can say the number between 1 by 2 and 3 by 5 is equal to, add these two and divide by 2. So this equals to, so if you add these two, you have to take the LCM of these two denominators. So 2 and 5 LCM is 10. So to make this 10, we are multiplying by 5, so multiply the numerator by 5, plus to make this 10, we are multiplying this by 2, so multiply the numerator by 2, so you get 3 to the 6, and the whole thing will be divided by 2. So that is equal to 11 by 10, and this divided by 2 you can write as 1 by 2, multiply by 1 by 2, that is equal to 11 by 20. Okay, so this is the number between 1 by 2 and 3 by 5. So we can write 1 by 2, 11 by 20 and 3 by 5. Okay, so I'm taking one more question of the same type. Find 3 rational numbers between 7 and 9.5. These 7 and 9.5 are also rational numbers. So in this case also we'll use the same rule. We'll use the same rule. Number between 7 and 9.5 is equal to 7 plus 9.5 by 2. So if you add them, this becomes 16.5 by 2, that is equal to 8.25. Now 8.25 is between 7, so we can write like this: 7 is less than 8.25 is less than 9.5. So we are writing this in the ascending order. Now we have to find 3 rational numbers. So what we will do in the next step, we will take these two numbers and we'll find one number between these two, and same way between these two. So the process is same, we are repeating the same process again and again. So now number between 7 and 8.25 is equal to 7 plus 8.25 by 2, that is equal to, if you add them, this becomes 15.25 by 2. So if you divide 15.25 by 2, we get 7.625. Clear? Understood? Now this 7.625 is between 7 and 8.25. So 7 is less than 7.625 is less than 8.25, and it is less than 9.5. So we got two numbers. Now we will take these two numbers and find one more number between them. So number between 8.25 and 9.5 is equal to, so we will add these two, 8.25 plus 9.5 divided by 2. So if you add these two, we get 17.75 divided by 2. So when we divide this by 2, we get 8.875. 8.875. So now this is the third number between the two numbers. So finally we got 7 is less than 7.625 is less than 8.25. Last number we found between these two, so that will be written between these two. So that is 8.875 is less than 9.5. Clear? And in this way, actually we can find more number also, but we have to write the same thing again and again, so it becomes very lengthy. So our type 2 method is little easier than this. Okay, in this type 2 and type 3, if we have to find more numbers, then we use those methods. Clear? Type 2, when we have to insert more numbers and denominators are same. When the denominators of both given rational numbers are same. When the denominators of both the given rational numbers are same, we observe the numerator and find the numbers between the numerators. But the problem is, if the numerators are very close to each other, then what to do? So these two types of problems I'll take in two different examples. When we have sufficient difference between the numerators and when the numerators are very close to each other, in that case how to find the numbers between the two given rational numbers. So I'm taking the question 1. This is type 2, both are type 2 only when the denominators are same, but in both the cases the difference of the numerators are different. So in this case, this question number, insert 4 rational numbers between 3 by 11 and 9 by 11. Now you can see here both the denominators are same, and the difference, if you find 9 minus 3, 6, so that is quite that is greater than this number of the rational numbers which we have to find out. So when that is the case, then it is very simple, very easy. What we do, see here, first check, 9 denominators are same, so 9 minus 3 is 6, which is more than 4, so we don't have to do anything. So just you write 3 by 11 and 9 by 11. So you write any number between 3 and 9 and denominator will be 11. That number will be always between these two numbers. Say I write 4 by 11, 5 by 11, 6 by 11, 7 by 11 or 8 by 11. Okay, any four numbers between 3 and 9 with the same denominators. So these are the four rational numbers between 3 by 11 and 9 by 11. So when the difference of the numerators is more than the numbers to be inserted, then it is very simple. Okay, but sometimes denominators are same, but the difference of the numerator is very less. It is less than the numbers to be inserted. Then what to do? So I'm taking another example and I'll show you. Insert 6 rational numbers between 3 by 5 and 4 by 5. Now you can see denominator is same, but the difference of the numerators is less than 6. Find the difference of the numerators. 4 minus 3 is 1, that is less than 6. So we multiply both numerator and denominator by some number so that the difference of the numerator will increase. So we are multiplying both numbers by 8, and now you can see the difference of the numerators will be greater than 6. After that you write 24 by 40, 32 by 40, and between these two you can write any number, 25, 26, 28, 29, 30, 31. All these numbers are between 24 and 32, and then you get the 6. Now you can rewrite these numbers in the simplest form, in their lowest term. So you cancel this, so it becomes 3 by 5, that is our given number. If you cancel this by 5, it becomes 5 by 8. This you cancel by 2, so it becomes 13 by 20. This you cancel by 4, so 7 by 10. This is already in simplest form. 30 by 40, if you cancel by 10, this becomes 3 by 4. 31 by 40, no common factor. And then 32 by 40, you divide by 8. Both cancel by 8, so it becomes 4 by 5. So these are the given numbers, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we got these 6 numbers between the two given rational numbers. Now we will learn type 3, when the denominators are not same. Type 3, when the denominators of both given rational numbers are not equal. Okay, so when the denominators are not same, we have to make them equal first. So for that, what we do, we find the LCM of denominators and write the given numbers such that both the denominators are equal to the LCM. Then that becomes type 2 question, and we follow the same method. So see, the question is find 5 rational numbers between 4 by 9 and 1 by 12. So here you can observe that the denominators of the two rational numbers are not same. So first step what we do is we will make them equal. So what is the LCM of 9 and 12? Find the LCM of 9 and 12. You know how you can do it in rough, and you will find that the LCM of 9 and 12 is 36. You can easily find it. Now we have to make the denominators equal to 36. So first number 4 by 9, you multiply by such number so that the denominator will be 36. So by what we will multiply? We multiply by 4. So same number we multiply in the numerator. So it becomes 16 by 36. Take the second number 1 by 12. Now by what we multiply 12? It becomes 36. So we multiply by 3. So same number 3 we multiply in the numerator. So we get 3 by 36. Now you can see the two numbers are 3 by 36 and 16 by 36, and the difference is more than 5. So you can write, see, we got these two numbers, 3 by 36 and 16 by 36. Greater number I am writing on the right side. Now you can see the denominators become same and the difference of the numerators is 13, which is far more than 5, which we need only 5 rational numbers. 13 is more than 5. So we can now very easily find 5 numbers between 3 and 16. So we write 3 by 36, 16 by 36, and then write 5 numbers between 3 and 16. So we write 5 by 36, 6 by 36, 7 by 36, 8 by 36, 9 by 36. So these are the 5 numbers between 3 and 16. So now these 5 numbers are the required 5 rational numbers. In the next step we will write all the numbers in the lowest term. So 3 by 36 becomes 1 by 12, that is our given number, and 5 by 36 no common factor, it remains same. 6 by 36 will become 1 by 6, 7 by 36 no common factor, 8 by 36 if we cancel by 4 we get 2 by 9, 9 by 36 if we cancel we get 1 by 4, and 16 by 36 if you cancel by 4 we get 4 by 9. Okay, so this is how we get 5 rational numbers between the two given rational numbers. We take this last question for this video. Find 8 rational numbers between 2 by 9 and 2 by 7. So first of all, you see their denominators are not same. So first we will make their denominator equal to the LCM of 9 and 7. So LCM of 9 and 7 is 63. Okay, now 2 by 9 we can write as 9 you multiply by a number which will make it 63. 9 into 7, 2 into 7, so 14 by 63. Similarly, you take the second number 2 by 7, multiply this denominator by such a number that will become 63. So 7 into 9, so 2 into 9, so it becomes 18 by 63. Now the denominators are same, it is of now type 2, but when we see the numerators, 18 minus 14 is 4, which is less than 8. So we have to increase the difference of the numerators. So for that we again multiply by some number. So here you can see difference is 4. So if you multiply by say 2 or more than 2, any number more than 2, so that the difference will be more than 8. So let us multiply them by 3. So 14 by 63, if you multiply by 3, 14 by 3 is 63 into 3. So this becomes 42 by 189, and second number is 18 by 63. If you multiply both by 3, it becomes 54 upon this is 189. Now 42 and 54, the difference is more than 8. Now we can very easily write down the numbers between 42 and 54. So we can get 8 numbers between them. Write down any 8 numbers. So 43 by 189, 44 by 189, 45 by 189, 46 by 189, 47 by 189, 48 by 189, 49 by 189, and 50 by 189. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 numbers between these two. When we reduce 42 by 189, it becomes 2 by 9. 43 by 189 is 43 by 189. 44 by 189 is same 44 by 189, no common factor. 45 by 189 becomes 5 by 21, 9 is common factor. 46 by 189 remains 46 by 189. 47 by 189 remains as 47 by 189. 48 by 189 common factor is 3, so it becomes 16 by 63. 49 by 189, 7 is the common factor, so 7 by 27. Cancel the common factors in each. 50 by 189, 54 by 189, you cancel 27, so it becomes 2 by 7. So all these numbers are in simplest form, so we got 8 numbers. In the same way you can do similar type of other questions. So that's all in this video. Thank you.